Good morning, students. Today's class is about methods of measuring national income, and in this topic, we are going to studying about what are the important measurements used for measuring national income. And here, there are three important methods are used for measuring national income in our country, that are income method, expenditure method, and value added method. From this first one, income method. What is income method? In this method, national income is equal to the income accruing to the factors of production used in producing the national product. In this method, the national income is equal to the income accruing to the factors of production used in producing the national product. That is, in the income method, we are calculated the income received by the factors of production used in the production process. We all know about that. What are the important factors of production? Land, labor, capital, and organization. And these factors of production used in the production process are earned their income as rent, wages, interest, and profit. Thus, in the income method, the national income is equal to rent plus wages plus interest plus profit. And the second method is expenditure method. In this method, we are calculated the expenditure point of view of national income. That is, national income is the sum total of expenditure incurred on goods and services during 1 year in a country. What is expenditure method? The national income is the sum total of expenditure incurred on goods and services during 1 year in a country. Thus, GNP, according to the expenditure method, that is, the national income according to the expenditure method, private consumption expenditure plus gross domestic private investment plus net foreign investment plus government expenditure on goods and services. It is symbolically represented as Y is equal to C plus I plus X minus M plus G. These are about expenditure method. And the next one is value added method. In the value added method is an important method used in the national income measurement because it is used for eradicating or removing the double counting in national income. The difference between the value of material outputs and inputs at each stage of production is the value added. The difference between the value of material outputs and inputs at each stage of production is the value added. This is one of the ways to avoid double counting by excluding the value of intermediate products. Thus, this method establishes the importance of intermediate products in the national economy. The value added method is very important in the case of measuring national income because it avoids double counting, and it is very extensive. It is very extensively used in national income accounting. Okay. And these are the three important methods used for national income measurement. And the next one, we are going to studying about what are the important precautions we have to make before measuring national income. And for this, we are here categorizing two important categories. First one, what are the important things included in the national income measurement, and what are the important things should not included in the national income measurement. And first one, the things included in the national income measurement, and the first one is imputed rent of self-occupied houses. Imputed rent of self-occupied houses are included in the national income measurement, and same as the production for self-consumption is also included in the national income measurement. And the next one is the things which are not included in the national income measurement. And the first one is the sale and purchase of second-hand goods. The sale and purchase of second-hand goods, value of intermediate good, service of housewives, transfer payments, illegal income generated, windfall gains such as the prizes won and the lotteries, etc. And the seventh one is corporation tax, and the last one is the sale and purchase of shares and bonds. These are the things which we are not included in the measurement of national income, and these are the important precautions every economy to calculate before measuring national income for the better measurement of national income. And from this we are moved to the case of India. What are the important measures that are used in the measurement of national income in India, and when this estimation of national income was started in our country, and what are the important methods used, and what are the important precautions used in our country. Before going to move the methods, we have to know about that in which year in India we are starting the estimation of national income. And here we can see there are three important economists to name. First one is Dadabhai Navroji, and second one is V.K.R.V. Rao, and third one is P.C. Mahalanobis. And these are the three important names which related to the estimation of national income in our economy in the first periods. The first name, that is Dadabhai Navroji, and here mentioned Dadabhai Navroji in the first, as in India the estimation of national income is done the first time by Dadabhai Navroji in 1876. And the second name is related to V.K.R.V. Rao, and it is the importance is that the first scientific estimation of national income was undertaken by V.K.R.V. Rao, and in this year 1940. And the next name is P.C. Mahalanobis, and here this name is important because the first official estimation of national income was done by the National Income Committee under the chairmanship of P.C. Mahalanobis in the year 1949. And the next, which institution or organization is done the national income estimation in our country? The answer is CSO, that is Central Statistical Organization. And for estimating the national income in our economy, our economy is broadly divided into three important sectors, and it is again divided into 13 subsectors. And these are explained in the next slide. And the three important sectors are primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. And again the subdivisions as in the primary sector, agriculture and allied activities, forestry and logging, fishing, mining and quarrying. the primary sector, we have 4 subsectors: agriculture and allied activities, forestry and logging, fishing, mining and quarrying. And in the secondary sector, we have 3 important subdivisions, that is manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water supply. In the manufacturing, we have 2 important subdivisions, that is registered manufacturing and unregistered manufacturing. And also in the construction, we have pakka and kacha constructions. Okay, these are about the secondary sector and the subsectors of the secondary. And the last one is the tertiary sector, and in this sector we have 6 subdivisions, that is transport, storage and communication, trade, hotels and restaurants, banking and insurance, real estate, dwelling and other business, public administration and defense, and the last one include the others services, which include education, public health, etc. These are the important 3 sectors included in the estimation of national income and the 13 subsectors. And the next one is how CSO estimate the national income in our country. Here, CSO used the first 2 methods, that is production method and expenditure income method, for the estimation of national income in the major sectors of our economy, and the expenditure method is used for measuring only the kacha construction, and it is come under the section of secondary sector and secondary sectors construction subsector. And in the production method, the CSO include all the primary sector subdivision and also 1 registered manufacturing from secondary sector. Okay. And second one, the income method, the CSO include the unregistered manufacturing and electricity, gas and water supply from the secondary sector, and all the tertiary sectors are included in the income method. And here the expenditure method is only used for the measurement of kacha construction, and it is come under secondary sector. And these are all about the measurement of national income and methods of national income. Thank you.